you know, I had to do it to them. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we'll be having a look at the new Kiko Kostadinov. I know it's a different backdrop, but I'm on vacation finally, so I'm sorry if there's some car sounds or some neighbors, but it is what it is. So the Kiko Kostadinov and Asics Gel Burz 2. So Kiko Kostadinov's and Asics collaboration started when they did the Gel Burz 1, which they showed in his spring 2018 show, which I'll show you a few pictures here. And that was his fourth collection actually. And what he did, he showed the three new models. They were black, white, and a kind of highlighter green. So Kiko, he was contacted actually by Asics when he graduated from Central San Martin's, and he was contacted because he was famous for always wearing Asics when he was in school. Actually, he said he had 4 pairs of Asics that he wore religiously every day to Central San Martin's. So it was kind of a natural collaboration. He was worried because he wanted to work in a new silhouette, but for the athletic line, for the running shoes. So it was kind of different because Asics always does this big collaboration with the other more lifewear models. So this was kind of a breaking new ground, you know. And he was worried because the image of the company might be soiled, let's say, if he didn't make a shoe that could perform as well as look good. So the first time we saw the Gel Burz 2 was in the fall 2018 collection, where we saw these the start of the show. We saw these female models come in the first time for Kiko actually, with this big like burlap kind of textured clothes, and they all wore 3 colorways of these shoes with some black lacing. So let's talk about the shoe, right? The Gel Burz 2 is a completely new silhouette, right? And it's a combination of 2 different silhouettes from the athletic point of Asics. So it was from the Gel Ventura and then the Gel Nimbus, I seem to think, and he combined both of them to make this shoe. So this shoe came in 3 different colors: forest green, seafoam, and terracotta. The version I have here is terracotta. I don't know if the camera is picking up the colors right, but it's more of a kind of like a burnt caramel is what the official name is. I think like caramel, and it's definitely, if you take caramel a bit further, it looks like this. It's more of a brownish red. It's not such a strong red you might see in some of the official pictures of this shoe, but on feet they look great. I mean, I was worried that this color was going to be hard to style or hard to go out with because it was so red, but it's more of a taken towards a brown, something you can wear hiking, etc. So Kiko took inspiration from traditional pottery from his native land, Bulgaria, and I'll see if I can find some pictures. These shoes remind me of pottery, of this kind of terracotta rocks, like lava rocks you can find. Let's see, so details. So this shoe features the classic flight foam sole, which gives us a lot of comfort. It just gives it a very interesting look. As you can see, it has like a tonal panel of the same kind of color, but in a lighter shade, and then it has a little detail of the same green from the forest green pair, and the same thing with the forest green pair has this color in it. So for styling these shoes is very easy. I find they go very well with grays, with blacks, with browns, especially like in the collection. But here's how they look like on. So these shoes are very hyped. I seem to see the Gel Burz 1 selling for like 600 and up because they're so rare, but people go crazy for these. I mean, they're like, they sell out instantly. I managed to win a raffle of these ones. I'm afraid these went into the whole hype sneakerhead trend crap, which is sad because there's a lot of people who wanted them, I guess. But okay, sizing. Sizing is very important, all right? So the official sizing says I got a 46 EU or 11.5 US. So it's a bit confusing because I'm normally at 12 US in running shoes, but I decided to go up since 11.5 US. Since it's a Japanese brand, maybe the sizing is a bit different, but they fit awesome. So like on the other Kiko shoes, I have a 44. On my boots, I have a 44, but on these, I have a 46, sorry. So take that into account. Maybe you want to go one size up because they're a bit narrow and they fit awesomely. They have a small space, which is what you should have in the running shoes, and that's it. Anyways, thank you for joining me. I'll have some more content for you soon. See you.